Hi, I want to show you how to record, screen and find saved recordings on Google Pixel 9a. So start by going in Quick Settings. For that, swipe down from top right corner and then swipe again to see more features. Now you need to start swiping left or right until you can see this option for screen recordings. In my case, it is placed on the second page, as you can see. So, I want you to tap on the feature, and from here you can choose to record just one app or record entire screen. When you're recording an app, anything shown or played in that app is recorded, so be careful with things like passwords, payment details, messages, photos, and so on. If you decide to record entire screen, then anything shown on your screen is recorded. Also be careful with passwords and so on. If you decide to record entire screen, then you can also turn on Show Touches on Screen and to record audio. You can tap on that feature as well and choose either device audio, microphone, or device and microphone. If you decide to record one app, then you can just pick record audio, device, or microphone. Now tap next. And if you decide to record just one app, you need to choose it. So for example, I'm going to choose Google Chrome. And in the top left corner, you will see 3 seconds countdown and then vibration and recording will be started. If you swipe down from the top left corner, you will see this information. Here you'll see time of your screen recordings and option to stop. So just tap on it and this recording will be saved. You can tap on it and immediately check. So it will be saved in your Google Photos. Just go in your Google Photos, in Collections, and find it here. It could be in Videos, or in Screenshots, or in Recently Added. So make sure to check all of the folders. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.